Audiobook narration is the easiest path to start a professional voiceover career. In fact, if you can edit audiobooks, you can quickly master other types of voiceover. If it is easiest, why do so many people struggle to edit audiobooks? The major reason is people try to learn just by watching videos. The second reason is that there is too much information out there. It is difficult to pick the right information unless you are a technical wizard. Let me explain how you can solve these issues. Learning by doing is the best technique to learn anything. Can you imagine you learned anything so far without actually doing it? The answer is no. If you ask me to give you only one piece of advice, I would suggest practicing what you see. You can do it on your own, or you can follow my guided crash course for audiobook editing. This is a guided training program with limited seats. I will explain why the seat is limited in a bit. Let me explain how this training program works. The main goal of this program is to make sure that you do what you are supposed to do. Another important concept of this program is to ensure you get the right and minimal information without any technical expertise. This program works in the following manner. You will get 14 assignments through email, one each day. The email will also have a video instruction on what to do and how to do. You will do the assignment and send it to me. I will email you with feedback on the correction. It won't take more than 30 minutes each day for you to do the assignment. You do not have to be present at a specific time. I have already guided complete beginners to successfully publish audiobooks on Amazon and Audible using this approach. Here is the Amazon link to the audiobook published under my guidance. You can also read his testimonial from my course website. I will put the Amazon link and my course website link if you want to have a look. The seats are limited as I give personalized feedback to every participant. I check your assignments to make sure you have done it properly. If it is not properly done, I advise you how to fix it until you get it right. That takes effort on my part, so I only accept a limited number of people for this training program. The program also has a free bonus and guarantee. I will explain the guarantee in a moment. If you purchase now, you will receive a $370 free bonus. The free bonus is my Audacity bundle. That means you will get access to 2 Audacity courses, Audacity course for beginners and Advanced Audacity course. You will also get access to 11 macros to make your sound better in one click. Guarantee. Once you participate in the program, you will get full support till you publish your audiobook in Amazon or the platform of your choosing. If your audiobook is rejected, I will assist you in resolving the rejection. The assistance will come in the form of email support, video calls, or me editing your audio files. That means you have zero risk. Seats are limited, so grab the offer from the links in the description or the pinned comment. I also offer the same program in my shop. You can purchase from any of the places. If you face any issues or have any queries, please send me an email.